Hey guys, welcome back to this video. In this video, we will talking about infrastructure and network monitoring. Dynatrace provides insight into quality of communications between host and the process that run on them. These SOGI processes are clearly communicating the response to calling parties and have uninterrupted access to all required resources. You can also see if certain processes are consuming most of your network resources. First one is review the three key network health matrices monitoring by Dynatrace, traffic, retransmissions and connectivity, and determine if there are problems or potential areas of improvement. Second one, discover, describe and tune anomaly detection sensitivity, override thresholds, create threshold alerts and disable alerting for certain applications, host, database services or for other tiers. And guys, you can also check out my Dynatrace certification course, link is in description. So that's all from this video and always see you in the next video with interesting topic. Thank you guys for watching this video.